It's all Greek to me.
一窍不通。
The math equations were all Greek to me. I tried to read the instructions, but they were all Greek to me. My friend was talking about quantum physics, but it was all Greek to me. The doctor's explanation of my condition was all Greek to me. I tried to watch the foreign film, but it was all Greek to me. The computer code was all Greek to me. The lawyer's jargon was all Greek to me. I tried to watch the science documentary, but it was all Greek to me. The instructions on how to assemble the furniture were all Greek to me. The menu at the fancy restaurant was all Greek to me.
同义词
Clueless. To know nothing about. To lack the slightest knowledge of.